Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to find p-values for a given hypothesis test. To find that one, you should consider the tail of the test and the test statistics value. Okay, what you need is tail of the test. You should know the tail of the test and what is the test statistics. Consider a right tail test with test statistics equals 1.77. You know that right tail test is one tail test. P-value for this type of test is just the area right to the test statistics. So here our test statistics value is 1.77. Then our p-value should be the area right to 1.77. Okay, so I'm going to find out the area right to 1.77. Here we go. Okay, here minus 1.7 and 7 here. So this row and this column. Then the value of that one is 0.03836. So the p-value is equals to 0.03836. If you don't understand how I got that area right to 1.77 from minus z value table, look at my previous video that will appear as a card in this video. Next we are going to find out p-value for a left tail test with test statistic minus 1.28. Okay, this is something easy because they have given us the left area. You can go to the table and directly take the value. So p-value for such test, that means for a left tail test, is left area to the given statistics. Here the given test statistic value is minus 1.28. So this is the column I have marked and this is the row. So the value for that one is 0.10027. Okay, it's easy. Next one is how to find p-value for a two-tail test. It has two cases. If your test statistic is negative, find the area left to that value and double it. If your test statistics is positive, find the area right to that value and double it. Then that is the p-value. Okay, let's look at an example. Find the p-value for a two-tailed test with test statistics minus 1.35. Now we have a two-tailed test and our test statistic is negative. Then we should mark that test statistic minus 1.35 and then take the area left to that one and now go to the table and you can see that the area to that one minus 1.35 is 0.08851. So when you double it, it is 0.17702. Next case is how to find the p-value for a two-tailed test with test statistic 2.34. Then you should find the area right to 2.34 and double it. In order to find that right side area belongs to 2.34, you can use the symmetric property. So it is fine if you find the area left to minus 2.34. Okay, so I taught these things in my previous videos. If you don't understand how I got 2.34 right side area directly from the table, look at that video. I'm reminding you again. So here, this area, the green colored area is 0.00964. So then you can double it and take this value. So this is the p-value for that one, 0.01928. Okay. In next video, I will cover how to find the p-values for a t-distribution. It is something different than the standard normal distribution and let's meet with that video. Stay tuned.